Ready to make gnocchi?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Now, do you know why we keep the skin on?
No.
Because if you peel the potato and then you boil it, loads of water is going to get into the potato, and then it's going to be very watery, and then you're going to end up with a very watery mashed potato. Mia, you can start to peel them.
Oh, wow, they're really soft.
They're really soft. Look how the skin comes off nice and
They're
easy.
so smooth.
I want to tell you a story. When I was your age, my grandfather used to make potato gnocchi, and when I saw him the first time making the gnocchi, then is when I decided I wanted to be a chef. How about that?
Maybe I want to be a chef.
Like whom? Who is your favorite chef now?
Probably Gordon.
Moving on. So then what we do, we put in there, and we just squeeze it.
Oh, wow, that's...
So we want 1 kilo of potato for 6 to 8 people.
Can I try?
Yes, of course you can. Right, go. Push, woman. Push. There you go.
That's hard.
That's it. Job done. You know, this is what we use it for when we make pizza. Make a well. In there, put 300 grams of plain flour, 1 whole egg, and an egg yolk. Wash your hands. At this point, we're going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and 30-40 grams of pecorino cheese, no more than that. Mix using a fork first, before diving in with your hands to bring the dough together. And how simple the ingredients. Potato, eggs,
Very
flour,
simple.
bit of salt and pepper, pecorino cheese. That's exactly what you want to achieve. Now, once you make the dough, what we do, we clean up this one. Oh, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of semolina on the bottom. We pick up some of the dough. This one. Put a bit of semolina in your hands. Now, from the middle, slowly, slowly, you stretch it and you go outside. Just be gentle. What you want to do about 3 centimeters thick. Once you have 1 long sausage, then what you do, you cut this one in half. Once you put it on top, 1 you put it on the bottom. Then you're going to sprinkle the semolina on top. And then what I want you to do, you do like little pieces like that.
Oh, is that how you make the gnocchi?
That's it. You can carry on. Not too big, yeah? That's it. Brava. Brava. And the reason why we're using the semolina is because normal flour would attach to the potato and it's going to get all sticky. The semolina doesn't stick to the potato. Do you know how do we make the ridges of the gnocchi, the little lines on the gnocchi?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm going to show you. This is called forking the gnocchi. So what you do, you put a little semolina here, then you go on the gnocchi and you just go like that. So
That's
do it
how
again.
you do
You just
it.
push it very gently and you just let it fall. I need to go and check the meat. Can I leave you here to do all the
Yeah.
gnocchi? And when you're ready, cook the gnocchi in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes until they float to the top.